Hello everyone, I am Professor A.B. Zanzad from Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nasik, working in the Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today's video lecture on the description of the flow pattern. Flow pattern in fluid, that is gas or liquid, depend on the three factors: the characteristics of the fluid, the speed of the flow, and the shape of the solid surface. The three characteristics on which the fluid are of special importance are the viscosity, density, and compressibility. Viscosity is the amount of internal friction or the resistance of the flow. For example, water has less viscosity than the honey. That's why water flows more easily than the honey. The flow pattern may be described by means of streamlines, stream tubes, path lines, and streak lines. First, streamlines. A streamline is an imaginary curve drawn through a flowing fluid in such a way that the tangent to it any point gives the direction of the velocity of the flow at that point. For a steady flow, the streamline pattern remains same at different times, but for an unsteady flow, the streamline pattern may change from time to time, and hence in the case of unsteady flow, the streamlines are to be regarded as instantaneous streamlines representing the instantaneous flow pattern only. Then second is stream tube. A stream tube is a tube imagined to be formed by a group of streamlines passing through a small closed curve, which may or may not be circular as shown in figure. We can see in the figure. Then path line. A path line may be defined as the line traced by a single fluid particle as it moves over a period of time. Thus, a path line will show the direction of the velocity of the same fluid particle at the successive instants of the time. Then streak line. In experimental work, often a color or dye or some other substance such as smoke in case of gases is injected into the flowing fluid in order to trace the motion of the fluid particles. The resulting trail of the color is known as the streak line. Thus, a streak line may be defined as a line that is traced by a fluid particle passing through a fixed point in a flow field. Then circulation and vorticity. These are the measures of the rotation in a fluid. Circulation and vorticity are the two primary circulation and vorticity are two primary measures of the rotation in a fluid. Circulation, which is a scalar integral quantity, is a macroscopic measure of rotation for a finite area of the fluid. The flow along a closed curve is known as circulation. That is, we can see in the flow in eddies and vortices. Vorticity, however, is a vector field that gives a microscopic measure of the rotation at any point in the fluid. The vorticity at any point is defined as the ratio of the circulation around an infinitesimal closed curve at that point to the area of the curve. That is, the vorticity is defined as circulation per unit area. To get more videos related to agriculture, agricultural engineering, subscribe the channel Agroneers. Thank you.